G'day, my name is Julian Johnston. I'd like to welcome you to 321 East Dilido Drive, Miami Beach. Newly listed waterfront home for $10.5 million, 5,300 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, and a 360-degree rooftop terrace. I hope you enjoy the tour today. Apart from the expansive backyard, my favorite feature about this house is the fact that you can fit 20 people in a jacuzzi. But right now I want you to relax, focus on the view, and call me later today to schedule a showing of this home.